Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can use the feature in Canva called grab text. So essentially, you could grab a piece of text from a picture and then you could change the text or even remove it if you want to. And it is very useful if you want to change the text content within an image. For example, I have this picture that says the stop. This is a stop sign, and this is really a picture. I cannot really change the text. So in the past, if we want to change the text, we have to apply some editing, like we have to mask this text and then we can replace it with a new one. But thanks to AI, now we can just grab this text and then modify it quickly. So what you need to do now is you have to open your image on Canva and then go to edit image. And then here you want to click grab text. So Canva will try to find the text within the image, and usually you will find multiple text like this one. It does notice there is a small text right here, but the one that I want to remove is this one. So if you want to pick this text, you just need to click on it and click grab, and Canva will try to remove the text, and of course it will automatically mask the content, and later you can get the text itself. And there you have it. It's very quick, and this is now a piece of text. Yep, you can double click on it and you can modify the text. So I'm going to change it to don't stop. It looks exactly like the original, but this one is of course different. So yeah, that's basically how you can grab or modify text from a picture using Canva.